The rumored plans of Zimbabwe's President Emerson Mnangagwa to extend his term past the expected end in 2028. Welcome back to Zim News Live, YTS. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from our channel. President Mnangagwa is currently in his second term as the leader of Zimbabwe. Constitutionally, this should be his last. But recent reports suggest that Mnangagwa and his close allies are exploring ways to amend the constitution, not for a third term, which would stir up too much controversy, but to extend his current second term by 2 more years. This would mean shifting the presidential elections to 2030 while keeping the parliamentary elections on their scheduled track for 2028. Why this shift, you might ask? It's a strategic maneuver. By decoupling the presidential and parliamentary elections, Mnangagwa can avoid the complexities of securing a third term, which would involve a 2/3 majority in parliament and a national referendum. But let's not forget, any changes to the constitution that could benefit an incumbent can't just slide through. They need to be passed through a referendum, as per Section 328(9) of the Zimbabwean Constitution. This isn't just a tale of political ambitions, it's a reflection of deeper factional battles within the ruling party, ZANU-PF. Opposition within the party, led by Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, has already thwarted Mnangagwa's earlier attempts for a third term. This new strategy could be his way of maintaining power amidst internal party conflicts. But what does this mean for Zimbabwe? For years, the country has grappled with issues of governance, economic stability, and international relations. Any move to amend the constitution and extend presidential terms could have significant implications, not just domestically, but also in how Zimbabwe is perceived globally. As we watch this political chess game unfold, one thing is clear: the stakes are high, and the outcome will significantly shape Zimbabwe's future. What are your thoughts on this development? Let's discuss in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on Zim News Live, YTS.